and we are playing Escape Game Tropical Room by IchimaCoffeedo. So let's start a new game. Now first of all, let's look at this box, and it needs 3 pineapples to be opened. And also on the right side we can see a drawer with a hint, so it's square in a rhombus, and also 4 symbols to enter below it. The hint for this drawer to open is this picture. So we can see the same image here, and this column to use. We have a triangle pointing up, horizontal line, circle, and vertical line. Let's use it here. Triangle pointing up, horizontal line, circle, and vertical line. And here's a remote to take, and also we can see here's the first pineapple to take. Then second pineapple is here on a leaf, and the third pineapple is beneath these magazines. Okay, let's get it, place it here, open the box, and get the key to open the sliding door. And here we can see TV, but it is a bit earlier to use it. We need to get the hint for the switches, and the hint is right here. Also a flower to take. So down 2 times up, down 2 times up. Let's repeat it. Down, up, and up, down, up, and up. The 7th one stopped, and we can get the hint. 7, 1, 3, 5. 7, 1, 3, and 5. Now let's go outside. Here we need a tropical juice, and also we can see fruits on different plates. The hint, these fruits are the hint to open this fridge. We can see buttons of square, circle, and hexagon, and 2 apples, circle, 5 lemons, also circle, then 1 watermelon, square, 6 plums, square, 3 hexagon, and 4 is also hexagon. So let's use the sequence here. 1 watermelon, 2 apples, 3 bananas, 4 oranges, 5 lemons, and 6 plums. Here's the drink to take, and also here's the hint that C and L, and between there are kind of dials pointing down, right, and up and left. And this hint is to be used on this place: down, right, and up and left. So here's a knife to take. Also here we can see a thing with the directions, and 7 inside the in center. So 7 is a hint itself, that it means that we need to look at this table on the right, and here we can see S, E, V, E, N to dial. Let's dial S, E, V, E, N, and we've got a straw. Now we have almost all the ingredients to make a tropical juice, and one more ingredient is a lemon, and we have a knife to cut it, get the slice, and then to make this juice. So flour, straw, and lemon. Now it is completed, and let's place it here, and remember the dreaming visions. So we can see fish, surfboard, just an ocean, and juice, and finally a blue background. So these 5 visions are the hint to get them the same thing from the TV. So if we turn the TV on, we can see that with this button we can make a blue background. Then let's switch surfboards, ocean, fish, and here we can see choose. So in result we have a sequence of fish, surfboard, ocean, juice, and blue background. So finally we've got unlocked the word fish. Oh, sorry, ship. SHIP. So lever to move the bed and make a bridge to the other side. Before go there, let's look at this glass on the floor and remember the fish movements, left and right sequence. So it sails to the left, right, right, left, 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 and one time to the right. So the sequence of fish swimming is to be used to open this sofa. So we have left, 2 times right, 3 times left, and 1 time to the right. And here's a fishing rod, but it needs a hook. Let's turn to the left. Here we can see a panel with 3 shells of different types, and the same shells we can meet here on the wall. So these pink shells make it's kind of a square. I don't remember how this shape is called. Then these white shells make a pentagon, and blue shells make a triangle pointing down. So here it is to make this, and here's a pentagon. In the trash bin here's a part of the photo, and here's a strange 4 buttons, but the hint to solve this puzzle is here on the towel is written. So we have escape resort is written, and let's dial it with these 4 buttons. E S C A P E R E S O R T, and we've got a range. So this range, first we had to look to use it to open this tile as a special tool, and we've got a hook that now we can make a rod. Let's go back to the first room and this aquarium. With the wrench we can remove the glass and then use the fishing rod to get this chest from the bottom. Here you can see an anchor sign, and here's the place to set it. So here you can see a puzzle and a hint. This necklace of flowers, we need to move from circle to the ledge and get the sequence of small, medium, big, medium, small, big, and small. And the sequence is to use here on this box. So we have small, medium, then big, medium, small, big, and small. And we've got a second photo, part of the photo, and then what else do we need to do? We need to look at the mirror here and mix these 2 parts, left and right. So if we stick this part with this, we can get the shape like that. Then if we add this dot here, we can get just a vertical line. Then these 2 dots to add here should be like a mirrored letter L, and this part, so it's like a letter T on the side. Now let's repeat the same symbols. The first, the second, third, and letter T, like that. So here's a key. Let's go finally open the door. Here you can see a red flower as a clue, and the hint itself is here on the ceiling. So this pattern, and we need to remember cells with these vines. Let's mark them like that, and we've got the third part. So finally all these three parts to place in frame, get the key, and finally escape from this tropical room. Now, if this video walkthrough helped you, don't forget to leave likes, subscribe, and bye.